Okay, we now have the replacement Cohere tube installed. Here's the one that was in there, which, you know, it worked, but you had to be within 2 inches. So it isn't as sensitive as it should be, even though it all seems to be quite fluid and doesn't seem to have any leaks in it. So what I've got connected now is our repaired meter relay, which detects when the Cohere tube starts conducting, closes the contacts on the meter relay, which runs the servo stepper motor, and servo stepper motor will advance the positions for changing the steering and turning on the motor for the drive wheels. And what I have here is the spark gap remote, and I'll hold it about 3 feet away. Okay, let's give it another command. Now we're turned to the right. It's picking up, it's not resetting 100%, and it's picking up a little bit of hash from these wires being in there. I may have to check the caps again. I did check the capacitor on the motor filtering there, and it seemed to be about a 0.001, which, being that that's a dual capacitor, 2 capacitors with 1 common ground lead, and it says it's rated like 400 volts, even though there's a 3-volt system. But based on the size and the year, I think 0.001 UF would be about right. You couldn't get more in that small of a package back in 1958. So let's send another command. It worked its way around to the stop one, which turned the motor off there. Took that. So yeah, it's working quite well. You can see the steering moving. And the next one should stop it. There we go. Alright. It does false trigger a little bit from time to time, but I'm not saying the toy was ever 100% perfect. So if you were watching this all the time through the video, you might want to go back and try to watch this, where you can actually see the little contacts close every time it receives a signal. And that's just an update where we're at right now.